What is up, guys? How's it going, YouTube? My name is Rick, 28 years old. Actually 29, sorry, 29. The reason for this video is I thought I would just come up on here and post something on YouTube and explain, not so much explain, but to talk about how I see money. All right, so my wife actually gave me these Meta Ray-Ban glasses, and I thought they were pretty nice. So I just figured out how I would come on here on YouTube and explain myself on how I feel about money. So like I mentioned earlier, I'm a 29-year-old guy. I'm a painter. I'm not rich. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't claim to know everything about money. I don't drive a Lambo. I drive a good old Honda. And I like to invest consistently. I like to look at the market, see what's going on. And if you like this kind of content, well, I'm going to be posting a lot of content regarding investing, right? While I'm on my way to work. So stick around. One thing that I do want to talk about in my first video is for you to start investing. I want to motivate you to start investing, to go and open your brokerage account and start investing. You know, you want to pay yourself first. You want to set aside that money, start putting it into an index fund. If you ask me which one, I would say ticker symbol VOO. That's the Vanguard S&P 500. I would 100% put it in there, and just consistently put it in there. Every time I get paid, I would put it in there. And that's actually what I do myself. I do a little bit of stock picking, but for my beginners, I want to encourage you to do that first and foremost. And so you might say, but Rick, how do I start investing if I don't have much money left over at the end of the month, right? I'm living paycheck to paycheck. I can't afford anything else, man. Like I'm drowning in debt. How do I do it? So I would tell you just to automate it. So set aside, man. Just put some money in there and just let it be. So these brokerage accounts have a way for you to set it aside weekly, monthly, bi-weekly, however you like, and just automate that thing. That way you're not thinking about it. And I have found that that is the easiest way to start building money, to start building your little nest egg. The earlier you are to start investing, the better it is going to be for you. Start young, man. If I were to start again from the beginning, I would have started since I was 18. I wasn't 18 when I started investing. I had a rough start to life. I was struggling for a minute. Didn't really know what I was gonna do with my life. But if you take something away from this video, is that you should start investing. Like, it's never too late to start investing. You know, the best time to start investing was yesterday, man. And it really doesn't matter how much you can start. Dude, you can start, open up a brokerage account and start investing with as little as $1, right? $1. You're gonna tell me you don't got $1 to start investing? It adds up real fast, real quick. Investing, it adds up real fast. And I'm actually stuck in traffic. I'm just a dude here on YouTube that just wants to speak to the younger generation. Heck, even if I can help someone older than me, I mean, that would be great too. Talk about money and have them start their investing journey. Feel free to reach out to me, leave a comment. If you like this kind of content, let me know. Write back to me if you want me to talk about something in specific. You can also let me know. So yeah, guys, if you're interested, let me know. Leave a like, consider subscribing, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.